Hello there! I'm sharing with you our DIY trip to Bacolod for 3 days and 2 nights. So first things first, nagbook ako ng flight via Cebu Pacific from Jansan to Iloilo. So pagdating namin ng Iloilo, nagbook na naman ako ng Grab going to the port of the Fastcraft. So magpa-Fastcraft lang kami kasi nga hapon na din kami nakarating sa Iloilo, and then bata at saka matanda yung kasama ko. So ayan, dito kami sa port ng Fastcraft. So, yung pamasahe pala sa Fastcraft is, yung regular is 550. So, may discount naman kasi yung mama ko is senior and then yung bata is below 8 years old. So, discounted pa rin. So, yung regular is 550. So, ang travel time ng Fastcraft is 1 hour and 40 minutes. So, the next day is pumunta na kami dito sa terminal ng jeep or ng bus going to Campus Tuan. So, ito yung travel time nila. And then, yung nabayaran ko dito is only 270 pesos kasi pag nag-taxi kami, ang mahal ng singil pag mag-taxi. So, yung entrance ng Campus Tuhan is 250 for the regular, and then pag senior at saka bata is may discount sila. So, I suggest pag gusto nyo pumunta dito sa Campus Tuhan, maglaan talaga kayo ng isang araw talaga para ma-enjoy nyo lahat ng sulok ng kampestuhan. So, timing, yung pagpunta namin is meron silang pa-foam party. So, yung bata nag-enjoy talaga. Hindi lang bata, pati rin kami. Ang travel time pala from city proper going to kampestuhan is around 30 to 45 minutes. Depende yan sa takbo ng bus or ng jeep. So, as you can see, ang daming libangan dito sa kampestuhan. So, mayroon silang wave swimming pool. Yung swimming pool na nasa baba is may slides. So, ayan. Meron din silang hanging bridge. Sa baba niyan, yung isang swimming pool nila na may pa-slides. At ito rin, may kinoconstruct pa na longest slides dito. Mamamangha ka talaga sa ganda ng kampestuhan. Especially yung colorful gigantic sculptures nila like the world's largest chicken. Mayroon din si King Kong. Meron mga dinosaurs. And meron ding elephant. At kung plano nyo nang bumalik doon sa city proper, so meron silang shuttle services. Tanungin nyo lang yung guard na nasa entrance kung anong oras ba aalis yung mga shuttle nila. Kasi by schedule din kasi sila. So after dito sa Campus Tuan is dumiretso na kami dito sa The Ruins. So yung entrance fee nila for adult is 150. Yung senior citizen is 100. Students is 80. And free naman yung mga bata below 8 years old. So as you can see, ang ganda ng structure ng The Ruins kasi ang mansion na ito is na-built during the early 90s by Don Mariano Lacson. At saka ito yung testament of his love sa kanyang asawa na namatay during childbirth. At saka yung The Ruins is pinansagan din siyang the Taj Mahal of Negros. And according to history, ang The Ruins daw ay sinunog ng Filipino guerrilla fighters during the World War II kasi para ma-prevent yung mga Japanese forces na gamitin ito as their military headquarters. So kaya sinunog siya for 3 days, and then yung naiwan na lang is yung current cement frame niya na nakatayo. So this mansion was inspired from an Italian architecture, and then ngayon ito ay na-recognize as one of the architectural wonders of the Philippines.